Welcome back and thanks for staying with us.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
House up first this evening, House Speaker Juliet Holness this afternoon called on members of Parliament to uphold themselves in the House with dignity.
Now, she was speaking in Parliament today. We have the details in this report.
At the start of today's sitting of Parliament, House Speaker Juliet Holness wasted no time to reassert control, and during her opening remarks, delivered a pointed warning to members of Parliament.
Order is not the enemy of democracy. Order is what makes democracy possible.
Her comments come a week after chaos erupted inside Gordon House during the debate of the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARA bill after opposition MP Dr. Angela Brown-Burke touched the ceremonial mace, an act widely viewed as a serious breach of Parliament tradition.
The events of last week were not merely about symbolism. At the center of our focus should be whether we are prepared to conduct ourselves with discipline and regard for rules. We, as a parliament, cannot promote indiscipline, misconduct, and then require discipline of Jamaicans from all walks of life.
The Speaker also pushed back against what she describes as attempts by some opposition members to challenge her authority, making it clear she will not be intimidated.
I have many times in the past ignored personal disrespect from a few members of the opposition, including derogatory, subtle references, slurs, and disrespectful posturing. However, let me clearly indicate today that my resolve to ensure discipline prevails in the House of Representatives is unshaken and will never be deterred.
Leader of Opposition Business Philip Paulwell tried to address the remarks made by the Speaker. However,
Madam Speaker earlier made a very substantive statement, and I think it does require the kind of reflection that she has indicated. Madam, Mr. Speaker, a point of order.
Point of order. The Speaker makes a statement. Then none of us can respond to a ruling or statement. You don't. You are here long enough. You know better than that. Not because you're getting whole and crippled. You know better than that. You. No. Mr. Speaker, the Speaker made a ruling to spoke. None of us can respond to what the Speaker says. You find some other agenda item to say, Fitz, shut your mouth. You know you're talking nonsense. You know better than that.
with tempers still flaring, it appears today's warning signals a tightening of discipline inside the House of Representatives by the Speaker.